Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you my weekly grocery haul from Walmart. I just did a grocery pickup, which you guys know is so convenient for me. I just order everything on my app, everything that we're gonna have for the week, and I always keep my grocery budget under $200 per week. So came in right at it this week, you guys, $199. So right on the wire. But anyhow, I'm gonna share with you everything we're having for the week. This weekend, check back for my lunch meal prep, but I'm actually gonna do a big meal prep this weekend of everything that I'm going to have. And I'm going to do breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and I'm gonna keep it under 1,100 calories per day. So I'm gonna do a super healthy meal prep this weekend. You guys know I have been loving the Palmini Hearts of Palm noodles. I couldn't get them in my grocery pickup because they were out. So I ordered them on Amazon and they are coming today. So Amazon sells these as well. So I will share with you once I get them. I got like basically a Palmini haul from Amazon, you guys, tons of them. So I will share with you my groceries now. I'll share with you what I got from Amazon for the Palmini noodles and all kinds of stuff. But I am going to walk you through my groceries, let you know what we got, what our meal plan's gonna be for the week. This is part of one of my favorite collaborations, you guys. We do our grocery haul collaboration with my friends, Jessica Myros and Tiffany from Small Town 6. So this is a collaboration with them. I'll put their channels in the description box. Also, there's gonna be a playlist of everybody's grocery hauls. It is so fun to see what everybody gets for the week, what kind of meals they're planning on making for the week. So check that playlist out. It will be awesome. All right, you guys, so I'll show you everything we got and what I am going to make for my 1,100 calorie all lunch, breakfast, snack, dinner, meal prep for this weekend. So I'll share with you that, but I'm gonna cook it, you guys, this weekend. So come back on Saturday for that video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Tons of grocery haul videos, sharing with you guys what I get each week. Super healthy foods, always keeping it budget friendly. Love Walmart. Most of my hauls are from Walmart because they just have the best prices and everything I need for the family for the week. So I'm gonna show you everything we got. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start over here. We got some extra things this week. I got these pinto beans, these marshmallows, cornstarch. We have this book for the kids, Kitchen Science Experiments. So we went through it and wanted to see which experiments we wanted to do. So I added these items to the grocery haul, which is super fun. The boys are really, really excited to especially do this marshmallow activity, but we are super stoked to try all these with these little extra items for the week. Also, I love Walmart because I could get the boys' bubble bath body wash and all that kind of stuff all in the same pickup. I don't have to worry about making two different stops. So here is our groceries. This is kind of the junk food section right here. We were out of granola bars, so got a big box of those. I always get the Great Value brand. They totally taste the same to me. I don't really eat a lot of those, but they look the same. These little mini ice cream sandwiches, I got these a couple months ago. They are a huge hit, so we needed to get some more. Pizza for those busy nights. We are still in T-ball for a couple more weeks, so quick dinners, a couple days a week for sure. We've got some ground beef. You guys know, if you've been around my grocery hauls, we got a Blackstone griddle, so we've been doing smash burgers like almost every week. The kids love them and they are really quick and easy and delicious. We also love chicken apple sausage. I've actually been having this with my breakfast every once in a while. It's so good. It's already pre-cooked, but I heat it up on a grill pan just to make it look like it was on the barbecue. They're really delicious. Ground turkey. I'm going to be doing ground turkey in my lunch meal prep for the week. I'm going to do Palmini noodles with ground turkey and some no sugar added spaghetti sauce. So I'm going to do like a spaghetti for my lunch. It'll be super duper low calorie. I got some onion soup mix. I use this when I make meatloaf, and I've been craving meatloaf lately, so I wanted to have one of these on hand. Some heavy whipping cream that we needed. Almond milk and regular milk. I just got a small milk this week because we have a whole gallon left over from last week. Couple yogurts. My husband and the kids love yogurt after lunch or dinner. I got this. If you guys have been around for my apple cider vinegar videos, I have been using a splash of this Splenda Zero, 0 calories, keto friendly. So I have been putting a splash of this in my apple cider vinegar drinks, and it makes it so, so good, you guys. This lemon ginger tea, it is delicious. It's caffeine free, so I've been using it at night, and I put in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So I have this after dinner before bed because it's caffeine free, but it has a really good flavor with this lemon ginger, and it definitely like offsets the apple cider vinegar flavor. So I really like this one, and I love this brand, this Bigelow tea brand. They have so many awesome teas. Got our eggs for the week, our bacon that we've been doing on the Blackstone. My husband just grills up like a whole pack. We've been doing it like every other week or so. It's really good. Some sliced cheddar. We always have cheddar cheese, shredded, sliced. Snack. You guys have been around. You know, I get these every week. Yogurt covered raisins. Some sugar-free syrup. I like to keep one stocked in the pantry, and we just opened our pantry one, so I wanted to get another one to make sure we always have it on hand. Big box of pancake waffle mix. My kids love pancakes and waffles. I don't know what kid doesn't. I have my lettuce here. I'm going to be doing a salad for my dinners for my meal prep this weekend, and I got this dressing, this Skinny Girl brand Chipotle Ranch. It is 15 calories per serving. So like I said earlier, I'm going to do 1,100 calorie meal prep for everything for the day. So that is going to be so good with my salad. I got the taco shells for the week. Benjamin loves these ones, these soft tortilla mini bowls. And then Zachary likes crunchy. And then had to stock up on my carb balance ones because I've been having them a ton lately. So got some of those. Needed some more apple cider vinegar. Love this stuff, you guys. Check out my apple cider vinegar detox drinks. I've been posting a ton of those videos lately. For my snacks this weekend, I'm going to use pistachios, dried apricots. They're like my favorite. Here is my no sugar added spaghetti sauce that I'm going to use for my lunch prep for this week. We needed some gallon storage bags. We were out. Like I said earlier, I love that I can get everything I need in one stop, and I get the Great Value brand. They're like a fraction of the cost of like a name brand, and they are perfect, work well for us. So here is all of the produce, some cherry tomatoes for my salad for this week, cauliflower, carrots. The kids eat carrots like crazy, avocados, some lemons for my detox water, limes. I also use the limes for detox water. We go through a thing of blueberries every week. And you guys, I think I got 14 apples, and every week we run out of apples. My kids eat so many apples. I have to like limit them on apples. We like always run out. They eat so many. It's crazy. Got a couple of cucumbers for my salad this week and for my detox water, and a whole bunch of bananas. We go through those like crazy also. A bag of tortilla chips because we got some really awesome salsa the other day. So we needed some more chips for those. But this is the haul for the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I got and everything we're going to be eating this week. Stop back by on Saturday so you can see my meal prep for the week. It's going to be awesome, you guys. I'm going to do 1,100 calories per day, and it will have so much awesome stuff. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, a couple snacks also. So I hope that will give you a couple ideas for some healthy meal prepping. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out Jessica and Tiffany's channels. I will link them in the description box. All right. Hope you guys all have a really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.